Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a leprechaun tarts. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need two 9-inch rolled pie crusts. You can just use the Pillsbury or the Kroger, whatever you want. You just have to have the two crusts, and I have those out per the back of the box for 20 minutes. Then you need one package, that's the 3.4 ounce package of some kind of pudding filling. You could use vanilla, you could use white chocolate, whatever you want. You need 1 1/4 cup of milk, 1 1/2 cups of whipped cream, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, some kind of food coloring if you want to tint it green. I'm just using this kind of lime green. I'm hoping that works because that's about all I have in green right now. Then you need some extracts. If you want to use almond and peppermint, you can. I'm just using vanilla because that's just what we like. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon. You could use 1/4 teaspoon of almond and 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint if you like. And then we need some sanding sugar. So I'm using green and orange because I feel like that's St. Patrick's Day, green and orange. And then, of course, you need your shamrock cut out. And then you're going to need to spray 2 muffin tins because you need 18 of the cavities sprayed with cooking spray. I just preheated my oven to 450 degrees, and now I'm going to unwrap my pie crust, roll them out, flatten them with my rolling pin, and cut out my shamrocks. Like I said, you should get 18. Next, you want to roll out your pie crust and then just cut out your shamrock shapes. And then we are just going to put those into our prepared muffin tins here and press them with a fork just on the bottom, poke them about 2 to 3 times each. Let's get these into the oven now for 5 to 6 minutes or until they're golden brown. My crust just came out of the oven, so now I'm going to let them cool right here on the stovetop while I get to work on the filling. So in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to combine the milk and pudding mix and mix for about 2 minutes with an electric mixer. That looks great. So now in a separate mixing bowl, I'm going to whip the whipped cream to soft peaks using a different attachment. That looks pretty good to me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my tablespoon of sugar and beat that again until stiff peaks form. That took about 3 minutes, so I'm going to say probably another 3 to 4 minutes. That looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to just go ahead and add in our whatever kind of flavoring you're putting in, if you're doing the peppermint and the almond, or if you're just going to do the vanilla extract like me, and go ahead and give it a good stir. Now I am just going to fold in that vanilla pudding into my whipped cream mixture, and I added a little bit of food coloring. I used a little bit of blue, hoping maybe this will turn green. Okay, that is all ready to go. I'm loving this green color. I just added a couple drops of my blue and then some of my lime green, and it just turned out a really pretty light green. So I am going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator just because I think I overmixed it, and my shamrocks are not quite cooled off. I'm going to move those to a cooling rack to help those cool. Here is what your final product should look like. I just let my filling set up for about 10 minutes in the refrigerator, put it inside a Ziploc bag, cut off the end and piped it in there. You have plenty to fill these up pretty good. And then I just took my sanding sugar, the orange and the green, and just sprinkled it on top. It looks so cute. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That smells good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.